What's up YouTube? Welcome to New Parenting Training. So today I got two products from Autobot. So this sounds like a transformer company, but yeah, this is Autobot Fresh 2 and the vacuum cleaner. So today I'm going to unbox them and then take it to the car. First going to vacuum and then kind of freshen up the car a bit. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Alright, so first thing first, let's open up the vacuum. This is supposed to be fairly small, and look, as far as for the exterior design, this looks pretty elegant. Okay, so please assemble the machine before use. Warranty and then user manual. Whoa, this is pretty heavy, but I think this is the body itself. It's a very small cylinder for the dirt. Right, so to put the cylinder into the body itself, see this little dot here. So what you need to do is to find the unlock symbol and line it up, and then you twist, and now it's locked into place. Here's one attachment. It's a brush, a USB-C cable, but there's no charger. Right, so here is the product itself. It's very simple. We have the vacuum, the USB cable, no charger, and a attachment. So this is called Autobot Fresh 2 Humidifying Purifier. Okay, so let me open this up. Alright, I think this is user manual. Okay, so I think there's not much to it. Just one of the cylinder design thing. I think it will fit into your cup holder. Not exactly sure what this does. And here is a USB cable. Alright, so here are the two items from Autobot, and let me go charge them up and test them out in the car. Before we start vacuuming and doing inside, might as well just wash the car. It's been really dirty. I haven't washed for I think a year now. Anyway, so I have a Stanley. This is pressure washer. The one we have is 2150 max PSI. I don't think you need to have too high of PSI, otherwise you might damage the paint. And here's the one, that's the detergent I'm going to use. And also I have this foam gun. So yeah, I'm gonna get started. Okay, so the exterior cleaning is done, and now let me do the vacuuming part. So as you can see, I kind of laid this out to kind of give you an idea how small this vacuum is. And look at this size. I mean, this is the entire vacuum. Compared to Dyson, definitely this is much lighter, but they still carry a weight to it. I really like the design of it, especially the exterior finish. So let me start doing some little bit of comparison. So as you can see, the trunk is really dirty, has dirt all over it. So I'm just gonna use the Dyson real quick. Okay, I mean, I tried to vacuum some, but as you can see, it didn't pick up everything. So let me try to use this. So it does come with a attachment, but as far as I know, you can still use no attachment to vacuum. But I'm just gonna put on the attachment. Okay, so what you need to do is just press the button once. Okay, so this is for the low suction. Let me turn this on. This is the medium. I mean, it picked up some stuff, but it's not picking up everything. Alright, so let me turn on the highest. As you can see, now the light is turning red. So on the high setting, it's just able to pick up a little bit more. As you can see, there are some trash that's been picked up in here. All you have to do is just press this button and the top will come off, and that's how you dump the dirt out. I was able to manage to suck up some of the stuff, but to really deep clean, and this is not going to cut it. As you can see, I mean, I tried to clean the carpet, but there's still a lot of dirt left. So I need to come back and work on it. Alright, so I'm not sure if you can see all that well, but there are some glitters. Let me see if I can get this out. Oh, wow. The glitter gets sucked right out. Let me see the inside. Oh, yeah. I think I know what this vacuum is really for. It has to be like on the hard surface, not the carpet. Okay, so now let's talk about the air purifier. So I already took this. So it has a little reservoir. You can put water in there. It's directional, so you have to put this little slot in here in order to fit in. And now what you need to do on the area to close, see that little dot? You have to line up with the lock and unlock and twist. You will hear a click sound, and that's how it is on. So if you want to turn on the humidifier, press this. Oh, now I'm not sure if you can see from the screen, but there are mist coming out from the top. So press again, it's off. You can turn the fan higher. I'm not sure if you can hear it, but now it's even higher. Press. And now it's filtering the air. The red means like it's pretty polluted. Right now it's on high. So once you get into the car, you can just let this thing run and clean the air while you're in it. And long press on the power button, and this thing shuts off. Now there is no battery inside. You do need to connect with your USB here, and they do provide you with a cup that technically, well, I mean, you could just put in the cup holder. If this doesn't fit, you might want to use this as an extender, so this way it will stand up a little bit more, so it might be able to fit into certain type of cup holder. But anyway, so yeah, this two-part is really cool. Now for one thing, this vacuum is so small and you can just leave it in your car. They do provide you with a USB cable, so whenever you run out of battery, you can just plug it in. And yeah, so you can just put in the car whenever you need to vacuum. You just use this instead of having a big old Dyson or whatever vacuum, regular vacuum you might have. And then for this, you can just leave it in the car at all time, and every time you turn on the car, you can have this to treat your air that's inside your car, right? So a lot of time when the air is really polluted outside, you might have your window up, but you still want to have like really good air inside the car as well, right? So yeah, this will come into handy. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, comment down below. Until next time, bye.